Okay, question 11. Terence owns a local shop. His shop has 3 checkouts where at least one of them is always staffed. A regular customer notices that the probability distribution of n, the number of checkouts staffed at any given time during the spring, is given by the probability that n is equal to n is 3/4 times 1/4 to the n minus 1, where n is either 1 or 2, or k if n is equal to 3. But A wants us to work out the value of k. So, probability adds up to 1. We can work out the probabilities that 1 checkout is staffed and that 2 checkouts are staffed. So, the probability that n is equal to 1 is 3/4 times 1/4 to the power of 0, which is 3/4 times 1. So, 3/4. The probability that n is equal to 2 is 3/4 times 1/4 is 3/16. So, those two added together give us 3/4 and 3/16, which gives us 15 over 16. So, k is 1 minus 15 over 16, which gives us 1/16. Okay, then part B wants us to find the probability that a customer visiting Terence's shop during the spring will find at least 2 checkouts staffed. So that then is the probability that n is greater than or equal to 2. Now that means then the only number of checkouts that we are not interested in being staffed is 1. So this is going to be 1 minus the probability n is equal to 1, which is 1 minus 3/4, which gives us 1/4. Cool.